Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'm going to be talking about the Osprey TrailKit Duffel. I bought this because I was looking for a better carry-on to use for a trip that my boyfriend and I had planned out west. I've used this both as a carry-on and as a road trip pack. This is a 40-liter pack, and I picked it partly because it's one of the bigger sizes you can get that can still be used as a carry-on. Of course, what qualifies as a carry-on is based on the dimensions and not liters, and it varies a bit from airline to airline, but the general consensus is that this pack will fit. I personally didn't have any issues using it as a carry-on. The first thing I noticed about this pack is that it's set up a little weird for a backpack. There's no pockets like on the front side. But I looked at it a bit more and realized instead of thinking of it as a backpack with duffel straps, I should be thinking of it as a duffel bag with backpack straps. And once I started looking at it like this, the pocket arrangement made a lot more sense. So there's a main large pocket, which is where I keep the majority of my things when I travel. It also has an ID sleeve right here. And then there's also a pocket right here to stow away the backpack straps when you're not using them. But I found it's also a good place to keep a notebook or like an iPad or something. And then the bottom has another decent sized pocket. And this is meant to hold like shoes or something dirty because it has this vent here. But I found it works really well to keep dirty clothes in this pocket and then clean clothes in this pocket. This top here has a spot to hold a bike helmet. And then there's also a padded sleeve right here, which I found is really useful to carry all my electronics, all of my chargers and all of that. I haven't had an issue with anything getting banged up in here. And then there are a couple of side pockets on here. I use this one, which has the smaller pockets inside to hold all like the toiletries and all that. And then this one on this side is designed as a water bottle holder. And there's also another side pocket right here. So that's all the pockets, which for me personally is a huge factor when it comes to picking a backpack. There are a few other things I'd like to mention though. In addition to the backpack straps, which is how I usually carry it, there's also 3 handles, one at the top, one on the side, and then one on the bottom. And this is very helpful if you have like other backpacks and other stuff you want to carry. You can carry it as a duffel very easily. And these all feel really sturdy, like they're not going anywhere. One really small detail that I like is the zipper pulls that Osprey uses. They're really easy to use even if it's really cold out, you got gloves on. They're just really good zipper pulls. The only issue I have with this pack is the backpack straps. They're thin and kind of stiff. I mean, if you're using it as a carry-on or for your road trip or whatever, it's not really an issue because you're not carrying it for a long period of time. But if you did have to carry it for a while, it would get pretty uncomfortable. Overall, I think this is a great pack for traveling. I wouldn't use it for like a school backpack or backpacking or anything like that, but it was designed for travel and I will continue to use it for my trips. Thanks for watching. I'll put an Amazon link down below if you'd like to check it out in further detail. And don't forget to be always adventuring.